Are you looking for a perfect spot to soak in breathtaking mountain views and feel that adrenaline rush? We got you! Welcome to the part 2 of our backpacking adventure across Mindanao. This time, we're exploring Bukidnon. Sa gitna ng probinsyang ito, matatagpuan ang Impasugong, isang treasure chest and hidden gem ng Bukidnon. Mountain ranches, dream landscapes, at trails na siguradong mapapawaw ka. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood ang part 1 ng aming Mindanao backpacking trip, post nyo muna ito and watch our Mount Apo hike adventure. Tara, samahan nyo kami as we travel to Impasugong, part 2 of our Mindanao backpacking series.
Mindanao, 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 Mindanao. Itadyak ang mga paa, iwagayway ang mga kamay, papuri sa kalangitan, araw, buwan at kalikasan.
After namin bumaba ng Mount Apo at nakabalik sa Davao City, nag-check-in na ulit kami sa Francis Inn and took a much-needed rest. Kinabukasan, we went straight to Davao City Overland Bus Terminal. Good thing, walking distance lang ito from our inn. By 11 AM, nakasakay kami sa bus papuntang Cagayan de Oro. Yung biyahe, sobrang pleasing sa mata. Imagine lush mountains, winding roads, and that fresh Mindanao air habang binabaybay mo ang Davao Bukidnon route. Sobrang ganda, hindi nakakasawang tingnan.
Now I'm dancing to your vibe. I'm holding it forever.
It took us 7 to 8 hours na biyahe, malayo, nakakapagod, pero worth it. Make sure na magdala ng maraming pasensya at pagtsatsaga. By 7 PM, we finally arrived in CDO. Kumain kami sa SM CDO downtown, then check-in at Emerald Suites CDO for the night. Rest mode ulit kasi bukas panibagong adventure na naman.
Ayaw mo kaulaw nga ikaw nagsayaw, sasayaw sa Bukidnon. Say!
8 AM the next day, sinundo kami ng tour coordinator namin from Impasugong Travel and Tours. First up, the iconic I Love Kisalon landmark, overlooking Mount Palawpaw. Tapos, tuloy na namin ang aming tour papuntang Impasugong. After checking in sa accommodation namin sa Impasugong, nagsimula na agad ang tour. First on the list, cliffside glamping and camping. Kung gusto nyo ng relaxing na lugar with an epic view, infinity pool, at option for tent pitching, ito yon. Ang lamig ng hangin at ang ganda ng view. At napaka-peaceful din ng vibes. Food trips baka mo? We headed to the gardens by Chef Bobot for lunch. Guys, kung nasa Impasugong kayo, hindi pwedeng hindi nyo itry to. Legit masarap and very affordable. Their food is top-notch. Parang pang mamahaling resto pero presyong pang barkada. At dahil dyan, dito na rin kami kumain the whole trip sa Bukidnon. After kumain, pumunta na rin kami ng Lover's Lane. Chill lang yung lugar, dating tambayan ng mga lovers, ngayon tourist attraction na. The views here, ang lakas makahugot spot. Our next stop, the Criminal Ranch. Medyo rough road going there, so motor or 4x4 is a must. Malaking lugar, may lake, may hills at may mga kabayo. Super IG worth it yung lugar. At hindi ko rin pinalampas na mag-horseback riding while surrounded by beautiful sceneries. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. You can also hire a drone kung gusto nyo pangmalakasang video and pictures. Napakaganda talaga ng Bukidnon at isa ito sa highlights nila. At dito na nagtapos yung unang araw at gala namin sa Bukidnon. Kinabukasan, early call time, by 8 AM, pumunta na kami sa Mount Culago, jump off. Same lang ng daan papuntang Communal Ranch. And sa totoo lang, yung Mount Culago, literal na nasa harap lang ng ranch. Yung trail, mostly talahiban, kaya medyo challenging sa init, pero grabe. The views are worth it. Best time to hike is during madaling araw para iwas init. Dahil weekdays kami umakyat, nasolo namin ang buong bundok. Isa lang talaga ang masasabi namin, puti inakyat namin. Sobrang ganda. After 2 hours, we finally reached the summit of Mount Culago. At ito na ata ang isa sa best views ng buong Impasugong. 360 view, sobrang surreal. We saw Roty Peaks too, pero hindi na namin napuntahan kasi may bagong rules. Overnight tour lang that time. But no regrets. Mount Culago alone was such a dream. By 2 PM, balik na kami sa Communal Ranch, freshen up, get our things, and headed back to CBO. Hindi na namin pinush yung Cedar Falls at Dahilayan Park. Kulang na sa oras at dahil hindi rin naman talaga kami mahilig sa amusement rides. Pero kahit hindi namin napuntahan lahat, feeling namin nakuha na namin ang best ng Bukidnon. For the tour, you can contact our tour guide, Impasugong Travel and Tours. We came here not knowing exactly what to expect, and we left with a full hearts, full memory cards, and a new appreciation to the hidden beauty of Mindanao. So if you're planning your next offbeat adventure, remember Impasugong. Pack light, bring your camera, and prepare to be amazed. Maraming salamat, Bukidnon! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures like this. Next up, Island life awaits. Sun, sea serenity. Next up, Dinagat Island. Isa ito sa pinaka-underrated but mind-blowingly beautiful islands in the Philippines. Get ready for hidden gem, jaw-dropping rock formations, island hopping at syempre, beach moments. Abangan ng Part 3, our Dinagat Island adventure na siguradong magpapawaw sa inyo. See ya!